Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is September 10, 2022. Hope you're all doing well. In today's segment, we'll take a look at how to trade options and make a good living. So with that, let's jump in and get started. Let's start with a quick market update. Look, from a market perspective, generally market is in a downward trend. Look, we got S&P 500 and we got a 1-year chart generally trending lower, as you can see here, and it's in a tight or volatility trading range here, goes up and down nicely. And same story, Dow Jones Industrial Average. Look, nice channel down here and lot of ups and downs. This is options traders paradise. You can make a lot of money with this choppy market. Look, Nasdaq, same story, trending lower, channeling down, mainly because Fed is not our friend anymore. Fed is increasing the rates. That's going to cause issue to the stock market. Look, Russell 2000 small cap stocks, same story, tries to make a comeback and gets beaten down again. Nice channel down here. Bonds are going nowhere. It's been a downward spiral for bonds for a long time. Interest rates are going higher. That's not a good news for the market. And as Fed tries to tighten, interest rates will go further higher. That will have an issue or impact on the stock market. Crude oil, after going high, now it's in the sidelines here. Strong dollar will not help crude oil, so it's going to be in the trading range, as you can see here. And gold is not doing much here, generally going lower, mainly because dollar is getting stronger. Look, US dollar getting stronger. That's a big issue for the stock market. So with that, let's go into a few stocks and see how to make a living trading options. So with that, let's jump into a spreadsheet here and go from there. Look, I got a spreadsheet here. I look at multiple data sources. We got data source from Stock Rover, we got FinViz, and we got bar chart and trading view and so on and so forth. Multiple data sources. That's why I like to bring them all into one spreadsheet here so I can make sense out of the market. So in today's segment, we'll take a look at how to make a great living trading options. A lot of people like to trade options, but they don't know a good know-how. Look, if you want to trade options, you always got to take a look at open interest. Look, we got here option open interest. You got to make sure you got a nice and high option open interest. So all these stocks are given here have got nice and high open interest. And then you got to look at option volume and call volume, put volume, and put call ratio. These are very important for options traders. And we got IV rank here. IV rank is very important if you are trading options, depending on whether you want to sell premium or sell options or buy options. Typically, when the IV rank is high, you want to be a seller of the options. Inversely, when IV rank is low, you want to be a buyer. And I always look at ATR or average true range. If a stock has got a low average trading range, it's not worth your while. Don't trade options on them. You will not make any money. So that's why here I made sure ATR is above $1 for all these stocks. That's why you don't see many low price stocks here. Maybe with the exception of AMC here. Otherwise, many low price stock, they got lower ATR. That's why they are filtered out here. If you want, you could even make the ATR higher here. I would say, good idea is to make ATR more than $2. So let's go and change the ATR here and put a filter here, say about 2. So that way you get to look at solid stocks that can really move. All right, now we got a very good list here. Many options traders like to look at a lot of stocks. I think that's a very bad idea. Don't look at multiple stocks. Instead, look at top 5 or 6 stocks. I know a lot of people, they just trade Tesla, that's pretty much, and make a good killing or a good money. So you don't need to be just Tesla. You could look at maybe top 5 or 6 stocks here. I say this is a good list here. You can go up to NVDA, or even you can go up to Microsoft and just stop there. Don't look at all the stocks. It's not worth your time if you're trading options. So with that, we got list here. We got Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Google, Meta, AMD, NVDA, Baba, and Microsoft. That should be good enough. You could make a great living by trading just these stocks here. If you're conservative, you could even just go look at top 4 here. Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Google. That's good enough for you to make a killing and make 7-figure income trading options. So with that, now we got the list here, and as you look through the list here, always take a look at the option open interest here. We got Tesla here. Look, nice option open interest, 10 million open interest here, and we got call open interest 1.5 million, and put open interest or put volume, call volume is 1.5 million, put volume is 1.2 million. That tells you in the options market, folks are betting stock will go higher. That's why they're buying a lot of call options, as you can see here. Put call ratio is 0.80, that's below 1. That tells you it's a bullish at these levels here. And also look at ATR here. Look at the ATR, it's 68 right now. Sorry, not ATR, RSI 68. That tells you Tesla is getting stronger. So it's a great idea to look at the stock. Now what we can do is we can go into my favorite platform, Thinkorswim, and look at Tesla. All right, let's jump back into Thinkorswim platform here, and let me go into a smaller chart here and bring up Tesla. Tesla is one of my favorite stock. Many times I just trade Tesla in the options market. You can make a killing, mainly because look at the look at the amount of look at the action here. It's up $10 in one day. Many days it goes up like $30, $40, $50 easily. That's why Tesla is a great stock for options trading. And look here, we got nice sideways pattern here in Tesla. It's an options trader dream here. That's one of the reasons I love Tesla. You can really make a killing trading Tesla. As you look through Tesla here, look nice up and down pattern. Options traders love this. And at this time, look on the balance volume is going higher. That tells you more buyers than sellers. RSI is jumping higher, as you can see here. Keep watching the pattern here. RSI overshot here, stock overshot, came down. So as RSI overshoots here, this is where you can buy some put option or put spread if you have a small account, and as the stock comes down, you make some money here. And with the stocks like Tesla, you don't need to go like, say 3-4 month put option expiration or day to DTE, day to expiration. Instead, for stocks like Tesla, just buy say 1 month or 2 month day to DTE, days to expiration. That's good enough because it's a very volatile stock. So I would say when the stocks hit the top here, you could buy some put option expiring in 30 or 45 days. So that way you buy the put option and you'll make money as the stock comes down. Don't be greedy. If you make some good money, maybe 50% profit or even 30% profit, take the profit off the table. And as stock comes down here, keep watch here. Look, RSI is hitting low here. This is when you buy some call option, and as stock goes higher, make some money. With this, if you buy days to expiration, say 45 or so, buy call option here, buy put option there. You don't need to keep it for a long time. Keep it for say 5-10 days. Do swing trading. You'll make some great money. And look here, stock traded down here. And look, we got keep watching the RSI here, RSI down. This is when you buy call option here. Stock went higher. Look, RSI reached the top here. That's when you basically sell your call option, buy some put option at the top here, and go from there. This is a very good way. If your account size is less, I say buy put spreads at the top here and call spreads at the bottom. So that's one of the best way to grow the small account into a big account. And as you scan through here, we could go into the trade tab here. Tesla is one of my favorite stock. I love Tesla. As you scan through here, look, we got Tesla 41 days out. That's good enough here. Right now, as you can see here, if I go back to the charts here, Tesla is getting stronger. It's going higher. I would wait for a day or two. Let the RSI reach around 70 or so. That's when I go here and I would buy some put option. I'm okay. I would go into this 41 days out here. I would go right here and look, it's 299 right now, and you could go around 299 right here. If you have a little bit bigger account here, you could just buy put option outright here, pay $20 or so here, 21, almost $21, buy some put option right here. And if you have a little bit smaller account here, you could buy put options, maybe put spread here, you could say 300 and 290 spread here, just a $10 wide spread if your account is smaller, so that way as stock goes down, you'll make money. You don't have too much exposure, your risk level is low. It's a defined risk strategy. All right, so with that, let's jump in here and look at a few more. All right, look, we got Amazon.com. It's one of my favorite stock. Generally, Amazon.com is bullish, as many of you know here. As I go here into the right side here, look, it shows the performance here. Look, Tesla is very bullish. 2-year 172% performance, 5-year 1182. Look at 10-year return, very good. Amazon also long term, it's a good story here. Look at Amazon here. Look at the option open interest. It's a 10 million, great. And look at the call open interest here, 476. Put open interest 334. This is even good story here. Options traders are betting this will go higher. And look at the ATR here. Amazon has a nice ATR 4.35. This is the stock that you got to look at. And look, it's getting stronger here. RSI is 59. And at these levels here, I'll be I will be waiting for a couple more days, and I would be buying put options, or if you have a smaller account, you could buy some put spread here. All right, let's go back here to Thinkorswim platform here and bring up my next favorite stock here, AMZN. All right, so we got Amazon.com here. Look, it's a nice stock. I love this stock, and see what's going on here. Nice and tight trading pattern here, and at these levels here, look, RSI right now is 53. As you can see, a stock is trying to go higher. I would wait for a couple of days here. At these levels, you could even buy some call option here. It went up a couple of days here. Typically, I buy when it's down on a down day. I would buy call option here. That's why at these levels, I'll wait for a day or two, let it settle down after this magnificent rally here, and then I would I would buy some put option here. And look, right now Amazon is 133 here. You could go around 135. You can just pay, look, you're not paying too much money here, just $7. You could buy this put option here, and you would make some money as Amazon comes down in a great way. And if the stock is down a couple of days, that's when I would buy call option. If I'm buying call option, typically I would look at the delta, keep watching the delta here. I would buy the call option around delta 70 or so here, and pay around say $12 and participate in the magnificent rally of Amazon.com. If you don't want to pay $12 here, then you could just buy a spread here. You could just buy a spread. Say you could buy, right now stock is 133 here. You could buy say 130, 140 spread here, and you could just do buy and vertical spread. Look, if you buy this vertical spread, you are participating, let's say here 130 and 140 here, and right here. All right, you're participating in the $10 wide spread here, and you're paying $5, and remaining $5 is your profit potential. You will make $500. That's your maximum profit potential. Stocks like Amazon.com, I could do this all day long. You don't need to worry too much. Typically these stocks are generally trending higher. That's why you got to watch the RSI levels. And if you go back to the chart here, look, Amazon also, as you keep watching the RSI levels here, RSI went high, Look, we got RSI right here. RSI went high here. Stock is at the top, stock fell off. That's when you buy your put option and make some money as the stock comes down here. And look, right now RSI is low here. You would buy call option here and make some money as it goes higher. Don't be too greedy. If you have some good 25% profit potential or profit, just sell it off and pocket the money. All right, let's go back here and look at a few more. Look, we got Apple. Apple is one of my favorite stock to trade option. Generally great stock here. Look, nice and high. Nice stock here. And right now RSI is 44. And it's getting a little bit weaker, as you can see here. ATR is 3.65. Great stock, for options trading. Look at the volume and open interest, nice and high, and put call ratio is 0.82, generally bullish. So that's how I kind of trade the option. I don't look at all the stocks. Instead, I focus on top 10 here and just trade those and make some good money. That's the best way to trade options. Just take the noise out and just focus on the top candidates and make money with the options. So if you do options trading like this, you'll keep the noise out and just trade the top stocks. That's the best way to make money. You don't need to worry too much. You have a very short list to tackle and make some good money. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.